Good morning, 8th grade. So this is day 1. If you're watching this, you should have already watched the introduction video in the course overview. Make sure you watch that. So this is our day 1. So we click in day 1 right here, and you'll see a few things. So first we have directions. The video I'm making is going to be right here when it's done. So to be completed today, this is our first day, so not much for you to do. Download and log into the app Tinkercad. Watch the Tinkercad Basics video on the Tinkercad Basics page. Complete the day 1 assessment. So basically today you're going to log into Tinkercad, make sure you can do that, and then just mess around with the app, make sure you can have a general understanding of how it works. So we go to Welcome to Tinkercad. So this is just the instructions on how to log in. So you want to download this app on the app portal. We're going to use this for every assignment, so make sure you download it. This might take a few minutes on your iPad to download. If you're using a laptop or desktop, just go to tinkercad.com. So you want to, bottom right corner, you want to get to the button that says Start Tinkering. So you go through all the menus, hit that. You're going to press the button Students Join Your Class, and then you're going to hit Enter your class code. Your class code is right here. Press the Return button on your iPad to enter it. Make sure there are no spaces after it. That happens a lot where kids get spaces after it and it can't accept the code. And then you press Go to My Class. Now you type in your nickname. So your nickname is whatever your first name in Schoology is. So if your name is Brian, type in Brian. That's what your nickname is in Tinkercad. And again, make sure there are no spaces after it. If you have an apostrophe, well, no one in this class does. If there's apostrophe in your name, you want to remove it and just type your name out without it, because Tinkercad can't process apostrophes for some reason. Then you click the button That's Me, and then you will be logged in. And this video shows you how to do it. I made it on an iPad so you can watch this and follow directions, especially if it says you can't log in. So you want to do that first. Then we'll go back to Tinkercad Basics. So this is a video, once you get in, just how to operate and use the software. We use this to make 3D printed objects, and I'll show you real quick again. So here's my files. So you see a lot of these have names and a lot of them don't. You always want to make sure you are labeling your files. So let's just jump in here real quick. So this is just a bunch of random stuff I have in here, a couple of different projects. But my main point is, you see up here it says locker. Whenever you're labeling something, you want to label it your last name. So I would type in my last name, Guthrie, and then I would type in locker, because these are locker items. If you want me to print anything, you've got to change your file name. If you don't, if it's just whatever random name the Tinkercad assigns to you, I'm not going to print your stuff because it's such a hassle for me. So you're going to watch this video, and you can get in Tinkercad. You can do the tutorial, but when you're done, you're going to go to day 1 assessment, and pretty simple. Did you download and log into Tinkercad today? True or false, so yes or no. And I can check to make sure you guys all logged in. It shows me I have a list of everybody. So that's all you have to do. Download, log in, mess around with it, make something if you want. If you do make a design, you can email me and I'll print it. And all the stuff I print for you, I keep in a bag, a Ziploc bag, and I'm trying to arrange ways for parents to pick up your stuff. So yeah, print it all. I'll do all the designs. I'll make it for you. If you have any questions, send me an email. Have a great weekend.